Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting video where I teach you the best ways to make money online. Today I'm going to show you the 3 things your affiliate products must have if you want to make money online and actually turn this side hustle into a full-time income. I'm going to show you why most affiliate marketers fail when they just get started, and even why some experienced marketers never scale past $1,000 a day. We're going to get into all of that and stay until the end, because today we're going to learn exactly how to go from just a few dollars a day to a consistent income each and every month. Now, obviously, I can't make any promises about your income or how much you'll personally make, but what I can do is give you the roadmap that I'm currently following and have seen help others reach massive success in their business. But before we get into all of that, if you're new here, welcome to what I hope will become your favorite channel to learn how to make money online. I post videos on here regularly and always bring you the most up-to-date tactics and strategies to help you make money online that actually works. There are also tons of so-called channels out there and videos running around on YouTube that have half-stitched ideas and methods that no one actually ever used. So my goal is to bring you both an element of honesty and innovation to your feed, so make sure and hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turn on the notification bell. I will always read my earliest comments first and use those to help me decide what we're going to talk about next. Okay, let's dive into today's video on the top 3 things you need to know in order to pick a good affiliate product that can eventually go from being a part-time side hustle to making a consistent income month in and month out. Now, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, I'll explain it quickly, but I have other in-depth tutorials on this channel that will dive deeper into these concepts. The method I'm actually teaching today is called affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't need your own product. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to drop ship or fulfill the product, and you don't need to worry about customer service. All you need to do is go to an affiliate network or a marketplace called clickbank.com. And if you're familiar with affiliate marketing, yes, there are more networks than just ClickBank, and I'll go into some of those later in this video. But to begin, let's just start with ClickBank, since it's the most well-known network. Once you log on to the ClickBank website, simply create a totally free account. After that, click on the store icon on the left to access their marketplace filled with products that you can promote and earn a commission every single time someone makes a purchase. With affiliate marketing, instead of creating your own products or writing your own ebook or coming up with your own online course, the products are already created for you, and your job is to simply promote them. The product creator handles all of the shipping, customer service, and returns. They build the website and the sales page, so your job literally is to just send traffic to their website, and you'll collect a commission every time someone makes a purchase. So you can see why this is a great option for those who are just getting started. But the very first question someone asks, the second I explain this concept to them, and maybe this is what you're thinking as well, is what am I going to promote? Now, a lot of people out there will tell you it doesn't matter. They will tell you just promote anything that you're interested in. If you're interested in gardening, promote gardening products. If you're interested in cooking, promote cooking products or appliances. If you're passionate about the 1990 Chicago Bulls, you can even find gear and other stuff from time to time to promote. And look, that's fine if you're just getting started. It's important to see that you can have fun with this and really do what you love. In fact, I always recommend to beginners to look at their own passions and interests first and start looking for products to promote. However, if you want to turn this into more than just a side hustle and you want to become a full-time affiliate marketer, then you have to go a little bit deeper. What do I mean? Well, you're going to need a bit more of a strategy than just promoting whatever you're interested in. But don't worry, if you stick to these 3 rules I'll give you in this video when selecting affiliate products, you will be set up for success. So let's dive in. First rule, find products with recurring or lifetime commissions. Now, this doesn't have to be every product you promote, but your core products should have lifetime and recurring subscriptions. I like to call these partnerships more than just affiliate products, because instead of giving you a commission in the initial sale, a partner or recurring product will give you commissions every single time a customer renews their membership or buys something new. This is so important because affiliate marketers tend to get in this vicious circle where they try to find brand new customers every single month. There's no way to scale this model. So instead, if you find products to renew or have lifetime commissions, you only need to bring that customer in once, and you'll continue to earn money over and over again without having to sell them again and again. So what types of products have these? Software is a good one for this, and the only method I personally use. There's also monthly subscription boxes for just about every niche out there, from dog treats to cooking to preppers. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'll even show you how to partner with a digital marketing expert, which contains dozens of products and courses and books and software. Okay, so what's up with the next rule? That is to find products that stack on each other. What does that mean? Another problem I see with affiliate marketers is they find random products that do the same thing. Many people I know are promoting 3 courses that taught digital marketing strategies. Now, these could be all great courses, but the problem is they're likely to go maybe 1 sale per customer. So even though it feels like you have multiple products, you're really only promoting one. So in our example, let's say that you find products that you can stack one on another, so one customer will buy multiple things from you. So for example, let's say that you promote ClickFunnels, which is a website building tool. Well, instead of promoting these 3 different website building tools, promote one, then promote something else that's maybe for someone who's starting a website, and maybe they need a place to get a domain name, and maybe an autoresponder, and then maybe even a course on digital marketing to help them to use all this stuff. Now, that's just the digital marketing niche, but I know that whatever niche you're in or whatever your interests are, you naturally will be able to find products that go together. And look, this isn't a super foreign concept, and you don't need to feel like a salesperson doing this. It's the same reason why when you go to their grocery store in November, they'll put a turkey next to the stuffing, next to the cranberry sauce, next to that. Obviously, they're not thinking that these things should be in separate aisles. They think that these things should go together and naturally make that connection. Do you feel like you're being hard sold there? Of course not. Okay, last rule for today is make sure that the products have great customer service. Look, if you're sold on number 1, where you want to sell recurring products, and you're building a stack like in rule 2 with stuff based on that initial product, then keeping the customers on the products long term is essential for your business. We call this the stick rate or the retention rate. And I don't know a better way to keep your customers on a product than a product that has the best possible customer service. So I encourage you, whenever you're about to become an affiliate of something, send an email to support maybe and see how quickly they get back to you. You really want to make sure the products you're promoting just don't get dumped out of the sky. Now, how do we take this strategy to the next level? Also, typically during these videos, I teach a new type of marketing strategy and then show you at this point how to take it to the next level. What I want to do right now is get super practical with you. I've just told you exactly what you need to do for an affiliate product, and I've given you 3 rules that might seem a bit restricting, but I promise you that for the best if you want to build something long term. Now, I want to give you an option on where you can find recurring products that stack like we talked about today with impeccable customer service. It's the Partner with Anthony program offered by Anthony Morrison. This course gives you step-by-step through the process of creating a digital marketing business, how to create effective sales funnels, how to have follow-up sequences through emails, and given access to high-ticket products that you can promote. And I've even learned how to scale my business from someone who's been there and done that. Best part is it's only $7 a month. You don't have to take my word for it, though. Click on the link below for the free training to learn more. As always, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.